Stop drip shaming me. Feeling parched? Welcome to dsmtravel, where curiosity always outweighs critical thinking. I'm your side screen, David They, and today we're in Vancouver checking out the Drop. Like it's hot. The city's tallest outdoor art installation and a personal middle finger to anyone who is dry. I'm looking at you. Nobody told me or anything, I could just tell just by looking at you. This drop is executive, limited edition, and completely unnecessary. Kind of like my opinions on public art. Ooh, drop everything. The drop splashes 130 meters? That's not 130 meters. Created by Agnes ID? Agnes ID?
Is it Agnes Adler?
Yes, who's having an affair with Agnes Adler. This installation is less about practical hydration and more about drip shaming anyone who dares to wear white pants nearby, and that's cited Vancouver.ca. I'm David. I'm wet, and I'll see you in the next one. Stop drip shaming me.